Welcome to RT Home. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss here class 9th Maths Statistics, exercise 9.1, question number 1, 5, and 6 solutions. See here, exercise 9.1, question number 1. Write the mark wise frequencies in the following frequency distribution table. See, once you can see the table, marks up to 5, up to 6, up to 7, up to 8, up to 9, up to 10. Here number of students is 5. That means here 5 students got up to 5 marks. 11 students got up to 6 marks. 19 students got up to 7 marks. 31 students got up to 8 marks and so on. See here, once you can observe here in the question what they are asking, write the mark wise frequencies. So that I am writing here marks. You need to write here frequencies. Frequencies. That means we can reprint it denoted by F only. See here marks frequencies. See, once you can see here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means you can write here marks 5. Mark 6, 7, 8, year 9, year 10. See, marks 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you can see here frequencies, that means here number of students. Here up to 5 marks, that means here 5 marks. How many students got here? 5 only. Next you can see here up to 6 marks. How many students got here? 11 students. But once you can observe here, once you can think, up to 6 marks means in this 6 marks up to 5 students, up to 5 marks students also included, so that you can subtract how many students got 5 marks. See here how many students here got 5 marks? 5 students only. So that you can subtract here 5 from 11. That means you can write here 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is equal to how much? 6 only. Next you can see here up to 7 means up to 7 marks means in this 19 students who got 5 marks and also who got 6 marks also included, so that you can subtract the students who got up to 6 marks, so that you will get exactly how many students got 7 marks, so that you can do here 19 minus 11. 19 minus 11 is equal to how much? 9 minus 1 is 8 only. 1 minus 1 0. That means 8 students only. See here in the similar way up to 8 marks means here I am finding here exactly 8 marks. How many students who got 8 marks means you can subtract from this 31 students. See here up to 7 marks. How many students here got? 19. So that you can subtract here 31 minus 19. 31 minus 19. See here 11 minus 9 is how much? 2 only. 2 minus 1 here 1 only. 12 students got exactly 8 marks. In the similar way you can find here 9 marks. Here 9 marks means 40 minus 31. 40 minus 31 is equal to how much? 9 only. In the similar way you can find here 10 marks. Here 10 means here 45 minus 40. 45 minus 40 is equal to 5. That means here this is the frequency distribution table. You need to find here 5 marks who got exactly 5 students only. 6 marks 6 students. 7 marks 8 students. 8 marks 12 students. 9 marks exactly 9 students got here. 10 marks 5 students only got. This is the our solution. Once you can see here question number 5. Represent the data in the adjacent bar graph as frequency table. Once you can observe here clearly the diagram. See here these are cars, these are bikes, these are autos, these are cycles. Once you can see here these are number of vehicles. Number of vehicles represented on x-axis. Type of vehicles represented on y-axis. Here once you can observe your scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 vehicles. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 vehicles. Once you can prepare a frequency distribution table. See here, that means first of all I am writing type of vehicles, type of vehicles. See here, you can write here number of vehicles, number of vehicles. In the brackets you can write here frequency. See here, in this type of vehicles, how many is here? Car, bikes, autos, cycles. So that you can write here car, bike. See here, car, bikes, autos. You can write here bikes, autos, cycles. These are all types of vehicles. These are all types of vehicles. Next, you can see a number of vehicles. That means you need to find their frequencies. Once you can clearly observe, see here, cars up to here. That means here how many centimeters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeters means 5, 5 is 25. Once you can observe here, clearly it's mentioned 25. Yes or no? There 25 cars are available. Yes or no? Exactly 25 only. So that you can write here cars frequency here 25 vehicles. In the similar way, you can find here bikes. Bikes means you can see directly here how much it is. See here it is 45 or not? Exactly. Yes, from the diagram it could only you can directly write here bikes are 45 vehicles. Here autos, how many see here? Autos, just you can see here this value is how much? 30 only. 30 vehicles are available. See here autos are 30. In the similar way you can find here cycles. Here see cycles up to here, that means here this is the value is how much? 40 vehicles. That means number of vehicles are available 40 for cycles. Cycles are 40 available, 30 autos are available, 45 bikes are available, cars. Here 25 vehicles are available from the given diagrammatic only. This is a bar graph you have studied in the previous classes. Yes or no? Just from the diagrammatic only. By observation, you can make here frequency distribution table. This is the your solution. Cars are 25, bikes 45, autos 30, cycles 40. This is your solution. See here, exercise 9.1, question number 6. Identify the scale used on the axis of the adjacent graph. Write the frequency distribution from it. See here the adjacent graph. Clearly once you can see here, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Yes or no? This is the y-axis. Next you can see here on the x-axis, clearly you see here classes mentioned. First class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, sixth class. That means for each centimeter, for each and every 1 centimeter, they mentioned only one class interval or not? Only one class interval. Yes or no? Yes. See on the y-axis. See here on the y-axis, once you can observe here students. Number of students. Number of students means see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That means here for each and every 1 centimeter, 10 number of students are mentioned. Yes or no? First centimeter, how many students? 10. Here 20. That means 1 centimeter is equal 10 students on the y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal 1 class on the x-axis. So that now you can write here clearly. Now write on the x-axis, you can write here scale. Scale I am writing on x-axis. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal 1 class interval. 1 class interval. See here on y-axis. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to, see 1 centimeter is equal 10, 20, 30. That means 10 number of students. You can write here 10 number of students. 10 number of students. Now see here scale identified. See here identify the scale already completed. Next you can see here write the frequency distribution from it. That means you need to mention here frequency distribution table. You know that how to represent frequency distribution table? Yes or no? Yes. See how can you represent? See here. Just I am writing here classes. See here I am mentioning here class. Here number of students. Number of students. That means it is the frequency. Number of students means here frequency. See which class is available. Once you can see here 1 to 6. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means you can write here class here. First class. Here second class. Here third class. Here fourth class. Here fifth class. Here sixth class. See each and every class how many students are available. Once you can see here. In the first class clearly mentions here first class here how many? 40 students. First class. See here on the y-axis 40. Yes or no? You can write here the number of students are here 40. In the similar way you can see second third also. See here in the second class. See second means here 50 here 60. See it exactly lies between 50 and 60 and that means you can consider here 55. Once you can see here exactly graph you will get here 55 only. So that I am writing here 55. Next you can see here third class. See here third class is see here. Here this will be 60. This will be 70. Exactly between 60 and 70 means you will get here 65 or not? Yes. Here 65. Next you can see here fourth class. See here fourth class. This will be up to exactly 50 only. See here fourth class. Here this will be 50. You can consider here 50 students. Here fifth class. See here fifth class exactly up to 30 students only. See here exactly 30. Which is very easy question. See here 30 students. See here sixth class. See here sixth class. Here this is 10. This will be 20. See this is exactly between 10 and 20. That means you will consider here 15 students. See here 15. This is the your frequency distribution tables. Here classes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. You can mention here how many number of students are available. Here first class 40, second class 55, third class 65, fourth class 50, fifth class 30, sixth class 15 students. This is your solution from the given diagram. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 9th maths playlist videos.